Finally, there's a Mopit that can handle floors larger than 15,000 square feet. Introducing the Mopit MAX, a 21-inch auto scrubber that can handle up to 30,000 square feet on a charge. The Mopit MAX handles large open areas with ease and speed, and also excels at cleaning tight spaces and corners. The Mopit is also easy and convenient to grab for quick spill cleanup. The brush hood height is less than 4.5 inches, so it fits under most commercial cabinets and shelving toe kicks. Are you ready for your employees to look forward to cleaning the floor? The Mopit will change their least favorite task into an easy and enjoyable one. Mopping can't compete with the Mopit scrub brush spinning at 1200 RPMs. The first time you put your dirty mop back into the mop bucket, your mop water is contaminated, and then you're just spreading dirt and germs uniformly around the floor. The Mopit always applies clean, soapy water to the floor, scrubs the floor, and then vacuums up the dirt and germs into a separate tank. Thanks to the Mopit, there will be no more tracks on a wet floor because the Mopit dries the floor instantly. The Mopit MAX is perfect for small areas like bathrooms. With the optional Mopit Reach Kit, you can effectively clean the areas the Mopit can't get into, like behind toilets and inside small bathroom stalls. The Mopit is powerful enough to clean even the dirtiest floors. You won't need to worry anymore about your high-traffic areas. The Mopit will clean them quickly, and the floor is left dry. Customers will walk on the floor immediately without the risk of slipping. Throw away your wet floor signs and say goodbye to slip and fall worries. For deeper cleaning, you can lift the squeegee and make multiple passes over the floor before dropping the squeegee to pick up the water. With the Mopit's 9-gallon water capacity, you'll be able to clean for between 39 and 70 minutes before refilling, depending on what water output you chose. At about 70 decibels, the Mopit is quiet enough to use during business hours around your customers. The Mopit performs well on most hard floor surfaces like grouted tile, LVP and LVT, sealed concrete, vinyl tile, and sealed hardwoods. When you finish cleaning the floor, it's easy to drain the dirty water, and you will be amazed how much dirt you have cleaned off of your floors. Plug the Mopit in when you're not using it, so that it'll be fully charged for the next use. On a full charge, the Mopit will run for about an hour and 45 minutes. With the Mopit Mini, Mid, and Max, we have a Mopit for every size of job. Whether you decide to purchase or lease, we are sure to have an option that will work well for you. To learn more, visit our website at www.mopit.com or call us at 1-800-290-2833.